Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about a new settlement that just came out from the FTC. Of course, they're talking about student loan debt relief and all these types of new scams that are out there, student loan forgiveness and stuff like that. There are some programs that do give legitimate student loan forgiveness, but that's usually based on the type of job that you have, the type of industry that you're in. Normally, human resources may know about it at your job, or you can always call the U.S. Department of Education yourself, or Navient or Nailnet, and just ask them, how do I qualify for student loan forgiveness, and get the list from them. Don't have it where it's the other way around, where people are charging you to teach you about how to save money necessarily on student loan, debt relief or whatever the case may be. There's a lot of phonies out there, a lot of scams that are out there. And don't get me wrong, I'm sure there's a lot of nonprofit programs and, or maybe some business owners that may be in the business of showing people maybe how to consolidate, so I don't know. But at the same token, I'm going to go ahead and go down the list of companies. Is one of these companies, what am I trying to say? So one of these companies, the question you want to ask yourself, have you given any of these companies money for student loan forgiveness, debt relief, or anything like that at all? Let's go down the list. Alliance Document Preparation, LLC, Easy Doc Preps, Grads Aid, that's AID, okay, Grads Aid, all right, First Document Aid, SBS Capital Group, LLC, Grads United Discharge, SBB Holdings, LLC, Allied Doc Prep, Post Grad Services, United Legal Center, LLC, Post Grad Aid, Alumni Aid Assistance, United Legal Discharge, United Legal Center Incorporated, Grads with an S, Doc Prep LLC, Academic Aid Center, Academic Protection, Academy Doc Prep, and Academic Discharge. Okay, so those are the companies. Looks like most of them were based out of LA and of course Los Angeles. So here's the deal. The Federal Trade Commission, they just announced that they're going to give $5.4 million back to those if you paid any of those companies money. Again, you don't have to live in LA. These companies just so happen to be based in LA. They ran Facebook ads, social media ads. So there's a good chance, if of course a lot of people out there desperate. All right. So how much do you get? So $5.4 million is going back to let's see here. It says 40,000 people, but it's not 40,000. It's technically 39,734 checks. Sound again, when you start putting those people divided by that number, that comes out to $136.48. So hopefully you didn't spend more than that. But either way, and the checks are only good for 60 days. All right. So if you want to find out if you're on that list or whatever the case may be, I'll put the number down at the bottom. I'll also put down the link, two links actually. One link to make sure that you don't fall victim to student loan fraud, and then also to learn more about the refund program that they have. Of course, that'll be ftc.gov/refunds. But again, I'll put the links down below. Okay, so either way, some people even paid $1,000 or something like that. But a lot of these companies are starting to pop up, and this is just the first wave of companies that are, that are cashing in, that were cashing in during people's, desperate times, man. It's really messed up. So either way, just want to make sure I got that video out to you guys. Hopefully, Sally Mae's name will be popping up on this list, right? Then everybody will be good to go. But either way, I'll keep you guys posted. Stay away from the student loan debt relief scams. All this other says student loan forgiveness. Again, double check with the U.S. Department of Education. Call Navient, call Nailnet. Let them tell you what the qualifications are. Now, I should do another video because it's funny how this just popped up because last week there was a company that actually, I'll get all the information on that one so I can give you guys that information, but it was pretty much showing how I think 70,000 people, another 70,000 people didn't qualify for student loan forgiveness. I told people they're not just going to forgive these people's loans like that. I'm just telling you how it is. It's an unfortunate situation. I don't know if the politicians are going to do anything about it, but as of right now, you either pay or you die. That's it. So, but either way, hopefully we find something out, and when I do, I'll make sure I get you guys the video as soon as I can. Thank you all so much. If you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video.